Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to be demonstrating a basic haircut, just a trim today. So I'll be starting off with taking a center part all the way down to the nape of the neck at the back and dividing the hair into 4 quadrants. And the last 2 quadrants will start from the back of the ears back, and I'll be clipping each quadrant to keep better control over the haircut. Then I'll be trimming all the way around, and that's basically what I'll be doing, and I'll be showing all of this in the video, and I hope you enjoy. So thanks for watching. So let's get started. Head up. And I'm going to divide it.
Denise, you were that baby in the middle.
So we'll do that like that.
Yeah.
And then this, I'm just going to divide here.
Yeah. As long as it's done, like in steps or something.
No, but
No?
you want step? I don't think you want.
Steps are not good. Yeah, Denise, if you do it many times, will be a style. You can open a
You got curly-ish sort of hair though, eh? It's curly, so it does need to...
curly and rough. It's also rough looking. When you touch it, it's rough. That is due to the dye that we put. The dye is made of metal. Is my ear okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Might be one odd piece that didn't get in there, so just get that. But remember, it's going to grow, right? So don't worry about it. It'll grow out.
Okay. So I have to sit up right.
Yeah. Because otherwise it'll be all crooked. There. That's one bit. And now, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to grab a piece of this one that I cut.
Okay.
And then see, I'm going to match it. So I'm just going to go like this.
You think it's better to have my head this way?
Yeah, that's good. What you got is good.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm just doing a divide here.
Okay. But as long as it's not too short. Yeah.
It's not going to be too short. It'll be fine. No problems whatsoever. There.
On the ear. I can manage that.
So I'm going to divide this here.
Is it nearly done?
Yeah, nearly.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
so I'm not layering this because you don't really need it layered. I don't think it needs. What do you think, Bruce? Okay, so I'm just going to match it. Grab it all and then just get it all
Yeah. I'm the same. Hold myself safe like this with my hair, my chin.
There. See? Got it all similar.
Yeah.
These pieces that hide under the skirt, but you know, it's not that big of a deal. Just the odd piece here and there. Clean that up there. And then just, so it's all the same length at the back.
Something is wrong.
No, wasn't right. But at least it's a lot tidier now, no?
Yeah.
Because you don't want it all long.
Yeah. I got lots of dye on it.
Oh, you do? Oh, you dyed it already?
Yeah. But that is why it became stiff. Because nowadays they made it out of metal.
Oh.
Dye is made out of metal.
They do?
Yeah,
Dye?
they do.
I didn't know that. Oh, so Bruce, you want to get in here or not bother? You can do it from the front, that's fine. It's
Okay.
easier.
Yeah, I can see.
Bruce can see.
Now what will you drink? Do you want beer?
I'm okay for now. I was going to bring a beer, but I couldn't find a beer.
Oh, but we can find our beer.
So that's that. I'm
Is
going
it
to
all-
look at it with a mirror. I can bring a mirror and show you, and if you like it, if you think it's good enough, long, like not too long, you want more off or something, then I can give you more.
I'll look at the mirror.
Yeah, okay. So this is pretty well, I mean, it seems pretty good. Let's see.
Yeah.
Maybe just, okay. Don't want to overdo it here.
What? It's overgrown there. Okay,
It's-
then just cut
Well, it was totally uneven at the back. You had a big long bit and you had a short bit. So at the back it looked like two different lengths actually.
Yeah, but you can make the long ones like the short.
So just, oh sorry,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to, see, it's going even, mostly even under the chin. Have to make sure it's kind of even here. Does that tickle?
What have I got?
Nothing, I'm just making sure the ends are even.
I think I got a big.
Okay, so just a tiny little bit off here. Just a
Yeah.
little bit off this.
Okay. It's almost done.
Yeah, it's almost done.
Okay.
So you look at it and you see, but I'll show you. And I'll show her the thing in the mirror. You can go.